community's best interest. Ephraim Graham investigates in a Channel 3 Eyewitness News Extra. Are the mayor's plans rubber stamped? Thursday on Channel 3 Eyewitness News at 6. Coverage you can count on.
Well, we just got another warning in for Catoosa County, a severe thunderstorm warning. And we're not showing any rotation on this, but you never know with these thunderstorms.
No.
They can drop a tornado instantaneously.
Because most of the time, most of the tornadoes are little, and they don't last that long. But all you have to have is a tornado hit your house for 5 seconds, and you'll know it. So sometimes the radars don't indicate every single tornado that happens, but there's a definite possibility for these tornadoes. And strong gusty winds are probability on that. I mean, it's for sure. Lightning, unbelievable. Probably some good size hail, too. We've already had reports of golf ball size hail near Trenton. I want to pop up on Storm Alert Tracker right now. Just south of Chattanooga, we got a very good storm, and it has some circulation in it, and it's moving towards the Ottawa area. So from East Lake to Oak Grove and Lakeview, 1122, Ridgedale, 1123, along with Highland Park, Glenwood, 1124, then towards the Ottawa area, and then later on into Bradley County out near Cleveland. This storm is moving towards the northeast. Also with this storm, you could have hail probably at least an inch in diameter out of this. This storm, again, all through the area, East Ridge around 1122, west side 1122, ridge side around 1123. So we got a number of storms out here, and we have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings. Hamilton County is getting hit very hard, but I'm starting to worry about Bradley County right now. And Catoosa County, you're under a warning at the present time. The heaviest stuff is still to the west of you in Walker County. Walker County is getting hit very hard with rain, lightning, possible hail, and this is moving towards the Ottawa, Apis, and Collegedale area, and then towards Bradley County, and then later on towards Polk County. And Tom Benson's got some information for us. Todd?
Yeah, Paul, I've been looking at some of the radar images here on a close-up view, also on our tracker, and we're starting to see wind gusts in excess of 50 knots there in northern Walker County, right, which would be pushing towards you folks in the Ringgold area, and from Ringgold up to the state line there in northern Catoosa County, right where the shear marker is located there, that little circle that you see. We also wanted to kind of reset this situation and show you how we got here, because this has been almost a spring-like setup, and as we go to our weather computer now, we can see these clusters of thunderstorms that started developing, and those are the ones that have been producing the tornadoes by and large through the day. You can see them to the southeast of Nashville and also to our north, and as we run this animation loop to show you where we are currently, you can see that that has weakened somewhat. And that's fortunate for most of us, but of course we're watching a close eye on all of these storms that have been producing the severe weather in our area at this time. Needed to update you on our Storm Alert 5-day forecast as well. We have that popping up on our computer as we speak, and
momentarily.
The next couple of days here are going to quiet down certainly, but this has been probably the worst outbreak that we've had in about 10 years.
It's the worst one since I've seen since we had the East Brainerd tornado. Actually, I think we got the 5-day forecast.
Here's the Storm Alert 5-day forecast, and again, the rain will be tapering off as this line pushes through. Tuesday, we've got another low that may bring some more showers up the front as we head through time, but things dry out and cool down just a tad as we head towards the first tail end of the weekend.
And nothing severe for Monday or Tuesday, just showers, leftover showers.
Very quiet period after we get through tonight. But again, we're watching those areas in northern Walker County and Catoosa County and through Hamilton County right now. This thing is still showing us wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, which could cause damage. Paul, we got one report from Dade County. We have at least one lightning fire down there and a possibility of a family trapped in a trailer home right now due to high water. So the flood potential here in some of those low-lying areas is also something to not rule out tonight.
Now, the worst storm, again, we can pop up on the tracker one more time. The worst storm with this, the circulation receives from Avondale and Brainerd, 1125, Eastdale, 1126, East Chattanooga, 1126, Woodmore and Indian Hills, 1127. That's when you're getting hit by that storm, which is just a couple of minutes. So get ready, folks. This storm is very intense. It's going to be moving towards Ottawa and then probably just south of Cleveland. But actually, there's a whole line of thunderstorms with that. So Bradley County, within the next half hour, you're going to be under the gun in Bradley County, and possible severe weather moving that way.
And Catoosa County, too, until midnight is when that severe thunderstorm warning is in effect.
That's right. And Todd wants to tell you that he did make the 3-degree guarantee today.
That's right. So
it worked out. We set a record, right?
Yeah, we set a record high today, and that's one of the reasons why we saw these severe thunderstorms. It hit 80 degrees. The record was 77. It was set back in, I believe, 1956.
3 degrees. Yeah, 3 degrees off the record. That's enormous. That's a big discrepancy for the records as far as normals go, too. That's enormous. So that's telling you all this warm air coming up, all this moisture that build up, and the cold air slamming into it, and you get your severe weather, just like the springtime.
Okay, and we're going to continue to have updates all throughout the evening. We're not going anywhere until these storms are out of here.
And the best thing for you to do if you're living in harm's way with these storms is stick with us, and we'll update you. And we'll let you know. Those crawls will be going on the bottom of the screen the whole time, too. And we'll let everybody know about those. Unless we can also come back here if we want to look one more time at the Channel 3 Storm Alert Tracker. And let's check out. As a matter of fact, we haven't done this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the arrows here, make this a little easier to see. And this is right now, this is Interstate 75. See that area of purple right in there? That's where the heaviest rain is, just to the southwest of Ooltewah. Ringgold is a very heavy area of rain towards Ringgold, but this line of thunderstorms is going to be moving towards the east, right into Bradley County. Tremendous amounts of lightning, but one thing, Todd, don't you think the lightning has dissipated just a little bit in the last hour?
It seems like it has weakened just a little bit, but
which is a good sign.
That's tornado watch is still in effect for all of East Tennessee and Southwest North Carolina until 4 o'clock.
We can look at another thing here, and this tells us where the hail is, and some of the hail moving right over the airport area towards the Ooltewah area, and then also some very strong gusty winds moving towards, it looks like Georgetown right now in northeastern Hamilton County. I guess we got to take a break here. We're coming up on a break, and we will have more updates for you in throughout the evening and throughout the nighttime and the early morning hours. Heck, we might even be here with Thom in the morning. Things are going. That's right, Latrice and Jed and everybody else too.
All right, so stay with Channel 3 for more weather coverage you can count on throughout the entire evening.
Here, I'm hosting the in-laws for the holidays, which means that if the turkey isn't perfect, my goose is cooked.